po. Ikot dia din natin ang lawa. Ito na building thar kan bumek in thar kan bumek sa Mizoram Sarkar sak aniya chuanin
We are going to show why are you escalating the situation? This is not about
Administration is objecting, is it?
No, objecting about construction.
There is no construction. No construction will be there.
You please talk to your SP and your SP will discuss with our SP.
ये बोल रहे हैं कि कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं होगा, लोकल चले जाएंगे, SSB BSF इधर रहेगा.
Tuna hianin asam horon chawin satlai in soron lu antuma tin bungro te pon in zon lu ta so tin san bek te po so then tha so sam horon da ania ti son an lu alut ngal ni mei ni hian langa entinga ni zeldon kan police ne ma chon meka so asamin an lu chuan amoi phutla khop in rinom